Alright, so I'm trying to clean my controller, my ps4 controller. I'm trying to get it done tonight. Excuse me. I'm trying to cough. Well, yeah, let's get the video started. Alright, so I got me a white and got my ps4 controller. Two things you need: ps4 controller and some wipes. Oh yeah, and make sure the wipes is not dried out. Now you start cleaning them joints. Good. Clean them joints down real nice and clean. Yeah, that's how I'm doing it. Excuse me. I had some tacos a couple of hours ago. That's why I try not to burp, none of that stuff. So yeah. And I want it like good as new. Yep. I want my PS4 wired and wireless controller gamepad smelling all fresh, nice and clean when I'm smashing the button. Yep. Hold up. Alright, so I got that out the way. I really got in there and start cleaning. Start start cleaning it. Get the cleaning. Clean the sides off. Because I already have pneumonia. So, and I don't want to like touch my controller. It got like fingerprints on it. And I'm touching my face. And I'm like touching my nose and stuff. Like picking my nose. And I'm like, dog, that's nasty as heck. I get sick real quick like that. Make it worse. Make my ammonia worse. So I think it's good now. Yeah, it's good. And I just let it dry up. Clean the option button off. Clean the share button off. And I'll be straight. I want it to look like good as new. Alright. And see, it's not so hard to do. It's some easy-ish to do. For real, easy-ish to do. I'm saying. I wish I had more requirements to get in here and actually really clean it. Like the edge of the in between the controller, or get a Q-tip and get in there and start cleaning. All right, I'm out.